Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete all your videos on TikTok. So you want to click on profile at the bottom. Now over here you're not going to see any button which you can just click and select all your video and delete it all at once. If you want to delete the video, you need to click on the video and click on the three dot at the bottom right, and then just scroll to the side until you see the option called delete. Click on delete and your video will be deleted. Now like this, you need to do it individually for every single video. So if you have a lot of video, it's going to take you a lot of time. But if you want to do it in a single hand way, there is a trick which is going to work. You can click on the three line at the top, go on Resist Settings and Privacy. Over here, scroll a bit down, click on Report a Problem. Once you're in this tab, scroll all the way down and click on Videos and Sound. Once you're in Videos and Sound, click on the option called Other. Once you're in Other, what you want to do is click on Resist No over here. Once you click on No, click on Need More Help. And once you're inside Need More Help, you want to type this. You want to give TikTok a reason on why you're trying to delete all your video. You want to write this: I want to delete all my videos in my TikTok because I don't want them on TikTok anymore. Can you help me fix it? Once you write it, click on Submit. TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix a problem. This is the only working way on how you guys can delete all your videos all at once, because TikTok doesn't provide you a button to do that. And the other thing you can do is just delete your TikTok account and just create a new TikTok account which is brand new with no video, no nothing. But if you do that, all of your data, all of your history is also going to be deleted. That's how you guys can delete all videos on TikTok. Hit the subscribe to our channel, One How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.